Okay, what we're going to do now is change the battery in the RapidSV Pro. It's quite important this is done correctly to ensure water doesn't get inside the electronics compartment here when the battery is changed. The battery sits in here, the Bluetooth data logger module up here. The access to the battery is through this little screw here. First thing, make sure you've got the right tool. Don't try and get it open with the wrong tool, because then you might damage the screw and you may not be able to get it out very easily. So we'll just take the screw out first. Right, this is important. Invert the probe and unscrew the cap with the probe in this position. We want to do everything upside down so that any water that may be around is running down away from the probe electronics. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth module here, the battery's behind it. You'll see water here when the probe's been submerged. This is not watertight, this part. So to change the battery, just carefully take the Bluetooth module out, the battery will just fall out. This will be wet, so you keep it in this position to change the battery. What we can do is dry off the module here. Make sure you don't get water down into this area. Dry this off thoroughly. Shouldn't be any water up here, but what you can do is just give it a little dry off with some cloth just to make sure before you can turn the probe over. Then you can put a new battery in. Just goes down there to the end. You can put the module in on top of it. And then the top is reinserted like this. It can be a little bit difficult to see where the hole is if there's plenty of lubricant on the thread here. So you get it lined up carefully where the hole is, put the little screw back in, again use the right tool. Oops. Don't force it if it's not quite lined up. Don't do it too tight. Okay, I'm good to go again.